Hi YouTube, they have the IKEA Bissa shoe cabinet. It's come in this box. It's quite on the heavy side. It's 15 kilograms, it says here. It has two compartments. You can put lots of shoes. I will assemble it. I estimate approximately 30 to 40 minutes time of assembly. And let's see how this thing looks. And this is what the Bissa shoe storage looks like with two compartments. It will take about an hour to assemble. You will need a screwdriver, preferably an electric one, although at some points it says that you should not use an electric one, and a hammer that you need to hammer some things here and there. And I have to put some, as I said, my shoes are size 44, so they're quite big. So if you plan to put bigger shoes, maybe you should remove this compartment here. But the bottom drawer will have my sneakers. You can see you can fit 8 types of four pairs of sneakers. Also, the top drawer here. Let's see, here in the back you can screw the shoe storage in the wall for better stability, but I probably want to move it a bit around here and there. Not a very cheap one, but again it fits with your house and you don't have too much shoes and you want to have some shoes available near the door or something like that. I think it would do the job. Again, it took some time to build and you need some tools. There are no tools inside the box. And that's about it, about the Bissa shoe storage from IKEA. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.